right, Joey.
Yo.
Next victim, ambush an employee.
Yeah, that's good for you.
Ready? 5 questions.
Sure.
First question.
My name is Joe Bamberger, and I am from Westchester, grew up in Long Island.
Nice. Next question.
Yes. I run the parts and service departments. For 15 years. I spend most of that time with my wife and 2 young kids, Alex and Braden, my wife Amy, and our dog Logan. Alcohol and pizza. Yeah. I put it over so it comes out under, because any other way is psychotic.